You think getting stronger means never stopping. No days off, no rest, no mercy. But here's the truth. The body doesn't grow in battle. It grows when the battle ends. This isn't a video about quitting. It's about learning how to recover like a warrior so you can come back stronger than ever. Step 1. The illusion of endless grind. Modern men wear exhaustion like armor. They brag about sleeping 4 hours, training 7 days a week, never stopping. But you can't fight forever. A body without rest becomes its own enemy. Your strength fades, your focus shatters, and soon you're fighting not gravity, but yourself. Spartans didn't train every day. They cycled between battle and rebuilding. Rest isn't weakness, it's wisdom. If you destroy your body for the illusion of progress, you'll never know real strength. Step 2. The Spartan Recovery Code. A true warrior's recovery isn't about doing nothing. It's about doing the right things. Movement, not stagnation. Rebuilding, not wasting. When the Spartans returned from battle, they didn't collapse. They prepared. Cold water for the body, clean food for the blood, and silence for the mind. Most people rest like civilians. Junk food, screens, and sloth. A warrior rests with purpose. Every meal repairs, every breath resets. Every night's sleep is a strategy for tomorrow's war. Step 3. The body that rebuilds in shadows. Here's what most don't understand. Your body doesn't grow when you train. It grows when you stop. The lift tears the fibers. Rest knits them stronger. Skipping recovery isn't dedication. It's sabotage. You're burning the very temple you're trying to build. Your muscles aren't lazy. They're waiting. Waiting for you to feed them, hydrate them, and give them time to forge themselves into something harder than before. That's how power is built. Not in the noise of the gym, but in the quiet of the night. Step 5. Sleep. You want growth? Sleep. You want focus? Sleep. You want discipline? Sleep. Modern men underestimate the most powerful weapon they have, a full night's rest. During sleep, the body releases growth hormones, repairs tendons, restores the nervous system, and recharges your drive. But if you spend the night scrolling instead of sleeping, you'll wake up weaker than you were yesterday, no matter how hard you trained. Sleep is sacred. It's not optional. Even Spartans guarded it like treasure. So tonight, when you lie down, remember, the battle starts again at sunrise, and no warrior fights well without his shield. Step 6. The balance between fire and water. Balance. That's the mark of mastery. Train hard, rest harder. Push yourself to your limit, then retreat to rebuild. Every great warrior lives in this rhythm. Tension and release. The body is your weapon. Sharpen it too often and it breaks. Leave it dull and it's useless. Step 7. The final truth. Rest isn't the opposite of work, it's part of it. Without rest, there is no progress. Without silence, there is no power. Now that you've rebuilt your strength, it's time to test it. Watch my next video. The day you skip training, the enemy trains twice, because every recovery must lead back to battle.